Well, finally, summer is appearing. It's getting warm here. It's time for salads. So what have I got here? I call this a Tex-Mex salad. It's just a mixture. I mean, there are tomatoes in here, kidney beans, corn, chili powder in the dressing, red bell peppers, cucumbers. Just throw it all together. Really easy to make. And refreshing. All right, let's go to the kitchen and make some right now. Well, here are the ingredients for making our Tex-Mex salad. Across the front is all the ingredients for the dressing. That is 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a quarter cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, another tablespoon of the Dijon mustard. That's not the Dijonnaise, that's the stronger Dijon mustard. And then over here we've got 2 teaspoons of paprika. Now, for the vegetables and beans and stuff. Well, I've got here 1 can of, it's a 15-ounce can of the red kidney beans. That's been rinsed and drained. We just want to rinse off all that guck that's in the can itself. Just have just the beans. Over here we've got about a quarter cup, looks like a little bit more this time, of green onion. Basically 1 stalk of green onion just chopped up or just cut across. And then here I've got cucumber. Now this is the, let's show you over here. This is a smaller, it's an Asian cucumber. I don't know if it's just Japanese cucumber or all of Asia. I can't remember, but we have them here in Japan. They're really nice because you don't need to seed them or anything like that. Inside is very clean inside. You don't even need to peel them or anything. Just what I've done for these here is to chop it up like this, slice it down this way and again this way. So basically slice it lengthways into quarters and then chop it, and then you get just like this. So that's perfect. That is 2 of these cucumbers. And then over here we've got 1 15-ounce can of corn kernels, again rinsed and drained. Across the back, 2 red bell peppers chopped. Here I've got about 40 mini tomatoes sliced in half. Yeah, 38, 39, 40, somewhere around there is good. So what we're going to do first thing is, actually let's just get a little space here at the back, get the big bowl in here, and we're going to make the dressing. So we'll just toss all the dressing ingredients together. The vinegar, the olive oil, the chili powder, the salt, the paprika, and then the mustard. So I'll work that in there. All right, we got all the mustard in there. Now just take a whisk and whisk it up until it all comes together. I'm going to whisk it quite well so that the oil and vinegar don't separate. Like mustard kind of helps a little bit to hold them together. All right, that's it. Now, this is so easy. Toss in all the rest. So in goes the peppers, the corn, the beans, cucumber, green pepper, or not green pepper, green onions. All right, and the tomatoes. And then all you're gonna do is coming under, up and through, up and through, up and through, tossing and tossing until everything gets mixed together. All the dressing has wet all the pieces of vegetable and all. So you want to do this for a little while. Just make sure you got everything well and truly mixed. And then we can put it aside, make the rest of dinner or whatever. This can be eaten right away, but actually it's really nice you let it sit for a little while, just let those flavors absorb in. So I like to do it about an hour before dinner, set it aside, and let the flavors absorb. All right, so let's set this aside, and I'll come back and have some of this later. All right, that's looking really good. That's ready to go. It's all coated. Now, if you like this, stick around. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley Kuma's Kitchen recipes here on the YouTube channel. Also, make sure you subscribe because there's a new one coming up every Monday. Also, if you're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, well, consider becoming one, because for as little as $3 a month, you could be supporting the creation of more and more of these original recipes. Also, you get access to all the cool stuff that the patrons have access to right now on the Patreon channel. All right, now go make this really easy to make salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.